To best handle an IRS audit, it's imperative we organize all of your canceled checks, credit card statements, cash payments, as well as all of your business receipts for the audit in logical order. The presentation to the revenue agent must be planned well, and a legitimate story must be well thought out and supported by documents. Most CPAs, enrolled agents, and tax preparers just hand the revenue agent the documents, inviting disaster. It's imperative to resolve the case at the lowest level possible and at the least cost. We will negotiate the best result with the IRS auditor and take all disagreements to the group manager for resolution. If still unresolved, we can go to fast-track mediation to obtain a resolution before an IRS appeals officer. This will give you 3 chances during the audit process to obtain the lowest tax penalties and interest possible. If the audit is still unagreed, we will timely petition your tax case to appeals for resolution before an IRS appeals officer. They are far more experienced, educated, and articulate, so the presentation must be well supported by the Internal Revenue Code, regulations, and case law. In addition, we will obtain documents from third parties to support your case. The reason we get the best result before an IRS appeals officer is because the case is more well developed. We've had ample opportunity to obtain receipts, invoices, and documents from third parties and obtain testimony from witnesses. We have a great reputation at the IRS appeals office of making excellent presentations supported by admissible evidence and solid legal research. If still unagreed, we will petition the notice of deficiency to tax court. We'll meet with the IRS area counsel to discuss the audit, appeals, and negotiate a settlement, or submit a written qualified offer. Negotiating with area counsel is significantly different, as the IRS attorneys rely heavily on the federal rules of evidence, such as the hearsay rule, hearsay exceptions, competency, identification, relevancy, authenticity, and foundation. They also rely on the tax court rules such as the stipulation of facts and summary documents. We will protect all of your privileges such as the attorney-client and the attorney work product privileges. We'll file all the relevant pretrial motions to gain an advantage during trial. Typical cases include substantiation cases, determination of income and expenses, collection due process appeals of liens and levies, and employee versus independent contractor cases. I'm known as one of the most aggressive tax attorneys in Southern California in representing my client, defending my taxpayers' interest, and in getting the best results available. Please call me at 858-481-4844 for a confidential call that's protected by the attorney-client privilege.